Okay, so I think we've all run into this problem in Acumatica at one point or another. You're trying to build a report and you need it to default to the previous financial period.
Mm-hmm.
And it just seems like it should be super straightforward, but for some reason it never is.
Right.
And, DB is an associate functional consultant at Tiana Solutions, and she knows this problem like the back of her hand. I mean, she's worked on over 200 different Acumatica implementations.
Wow. Yeah.
I mean, she's seen it all when it comes to these kinds of reporting quirks.
Yeah, she's a pro.
And one particular example comes to mind that she told me about with a client who needed to build a sales analysis report.
Okay.
And they wanted it to automatically show the data for like the month before the current month.
Okay.
So let's say, if it's August 2025 right now, they needed the report to show July 2025.
Gotcha.
And you think that would be a simple thing to do, right?
Yeah, you would think so, but sometimes these things can be a lot trickier than they seem. Acumatica's reporting engine is really powerful, don't get me wrong, but it relies on these formulas to determine like what data is pulled into the report.
Okay.
And this client, they tried everything they could to adjust those formulas, trying to shift the date range back a month.
Yeah.
But they just kept hitting roadblocks,
Yeah.
Especially when it came to recognizing the change in the financial year.
Oh, so like the formula could work within a single calendar year.
Yeah,
But as soon as it went into like the next year, it wouldn't calculate properly?
exactly. And that's a super common problem that Acumatica users run into because the platform, while flexible, doesn't always, have those pre-built formulas for every single business need you could imagine.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
So what did Deba end up doing to fix this for them?
So she realized that instead of trying to, force that square peg into a round hole with
Right.
that existing formula, that it was actually just way more efficient to create a brand new formula from scratch.
Yeah.
And, Acumatica gives you the tools to do that. So she built this formula that specifically calculates the previous financial period,
Okay.
and it takes into account that year change.
Clever.
Yeah, and it's formatted as, month, year to match exactly what the client needed to see in their report.
So I guess the takeaway here is sometimes a custom solution is better and more efficient than trying to use something pre-built.
Absolutely. And I think, that applies to so many things in Acumatica in general. It's
Right.
a really powerful system. But, sometimes you need an expert to really come in and unlock its true potential for your specific business.
Right.
Tailor it to your unique requirements.
Yeah. Deba and the team at Tiana Solutions seem to know exactly what they're doing.
Oh, for sure. They're the best. And that actually, it makes me think about our listeners out there.
Yeah.
Are there any processes or reports in your own Acumatica system that are giving you a hard time?
Are you banging your head against the wall?
Exactly, because it might seem like a small thing,
Yeah.
but it could really be affecting your overall efficiency.
That's true.
Yeah.
If that's, you give Tiana Solutions a call.
Yeah, they can definitely help.
Their number is 678-910-2774, and you can schedule a consultation with them and see how they can help you with your Acumatica issues.
Yeah, they're really good at finding those, simple, elegant solutions to what seem like really tricky problems.
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Don't let those annoying technical details hold back your business growth.
You got this.
There are experts out there who can really help you unlock Acumatica's full potential.
That's right.